Welcome to my channel. Here's what you will learn from this video. 1. Information about a prevalent phone scam that has been defrauding people like you of their money. 2. How the scam works. 3. Red flags that will help you identify such scam calls. 4. What you should do when you get such a scam call. 5. Preventive measures you can take to protect yourself. 6. What you should do if you've already fallen for the scam. Let's get started. There's a common phone scam that has been going around in India where scammers impersonate officials from the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI. It's a trap to defraud you of your money by scaring you. Here's how the scam typically plays out. It has 5 stages. Stage 1 is establishing contact. You receive a phone call from an unknown number and the caller claims to be from the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, or from some other government agency. He sounds official and may even use specific technical terms to make the call seem legitimate. Stage 2 is creating fear. The caller informs you that your phone number is linked to criminal activities. He may claim that your number has been involved in fraudulent transactions, illegal activities, or multiple complaints. The purpose here is to scare you and make you feel like you are in serious trouble. Stage 3 is escalating the threat. The scammer will add more pressure by telling you that if you don't act immediately, legal action will be taken, such as blocking your SIM card, filing an FIR, or getting you arrested and sending you to jail. This is meant to make you panic and believe you must resolve the issue right away. Stage 4 is eliciting personal information. You are asked to share personal information such as your Aadhaar card number, bank account details, or OTP, that is a one-time password. You are told that this is required to verify your identity or to remove your number from the criminal database. In some cases, they may even instruct you to install an app or follow a link that allows them to gain control of your phone. Stage 5 is extracting money. Once he gathers enough personal information or has control over your device, the scammer gains access of your bank accounts and transfers money from your accounts. He may also tell you that you need to pay a fine or a penalty to clear your name from these supposed criminal activities. This could be done via a mobile app, payment app, or bank transfer. Let us now look at the red flags that will help you identify such scam calls. Firstly, the call itself is a red flag because government agencies like TRAI do not make such calls. They won't call to inform you about criminal cases or threaten you with legal action. That is simply not their job. Secondly, no official will ever ask for personal details like OTPs, bank information, or Aadhaar over phone. If someone does that, then it's clearly a red flag. Thirdly, be suspicious if the caller tries to create panic or uses high-pressure tactics asking you to act now or face consequences. This is yet another red flag. Let's now dwell on what you should do if you get such scam calls. 1. Stay calm. Don't panic. Remember, scammers thrive on fear and urgency. 2. Ask questions. Politely ask for his name, official ID number, and the department he's calling from. Most scammers will fumble or they'll provide vague answers because they don't expect to be questioned in the first place. 3. Don't share personal details. Never give out personal information like your bank details, Aadhaar number, or OTPs. No legitimate organization will ever ask for these over phone. 4. Hang up. If you realize it's a scam, just hang up. You owe them absolutely no explanation. 5. Report the number. After hanging up, you can report the call to your mobile service provider or the police's cybercrime division. This will help in tracking down the scammer and preventing further incidents. Here are a few preventive measures you can take to protect yourself. 1. Install a caller ID app. Apps like Truecaller can help you identify scam calls before you even pick a call. You'll be able to see whether others have reported the number as fraudulent. 2. Register on DND, the Do Not Disturb. Call and ask your network service provider to activate the Do Not Disturb service on your mobile number. This can help reduce unwanted calls from telemarketers and potential scammers. Let's finally look at what you should do. If you have already fallen for this scam, 1. Contact your bank immediately. If you shared any financial information, inform your bank and even freeze your accounts if necessary. 2. Change your passwords. If you gave out any passwords or security information, change them immediately. 3. File a police report. File a complaint at a police station or report the matter to the nearest cybercrime station. This will help the authorities take action and possibly prevent such scammers from targeting others. Remember, staying informed and cautious is key to protecting yourself from scams. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. Please share it with others so they may stay safe as well.